Forecasters are increasingly confident El Niño may develop this summer. NOAA says there's a 62% chance it forms during June, July, and August of 2026, with a 1 in 3 chance it becomes strong by late fall. Some meteorologists are even discussing the potential for a super El Niño. That usually means sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern Pacific stay about 2.7 degrees Fahrenheit above average for several months, strong enough to influence weather patterns across the U.S., including here in the southeast. For South Carolina, the clearest signal usually comes after hurricane season. During El Niño winters, the southern jet stream often becomes more active, helping steer more storm systems across the deep south and southeast. That can tilt South Carolina toward a wetter winter pattern, with more frequent rain events and a better chance for drought relief heading into spring. That added rainfall can help replenish soil moisture, improve rivers and reservoirs, and support agriculture. But it also can raise concerns about flooding if storms begin stacking up over already wet ground. There's also a tropical angle. South Carolina can benefit from the hurricane-suppressing side of El Niño during summer and fall. More wind shear over the Atlantic can make it harder for storms to organize and intensify. Still, fewer favorable conditions does not mean zero risk. For South Carolina, the bigger story may be what happens after that, as the atmosphere begins to shift towards winter. If this pattern holds, the state could trade some Atlantic hurricane support for a more unsettled cold season, with repeated storm systems and above-average rainfall. So, for South Carolina, the takeaway is less about one big storm and more about the broader pattern: a potentially quieter Atlantic and a wetter, more active winter. For South Carolina Public Radio, I'm meteorologist Leslie Hudson.